Hotjar is a great tool to add another layer of data to your web strategy. It tells you things you just can't get from looking at tables of numbers in Google Analytics. But when you look at data in Google Analytics, you're typically slicing it to create useful segments of visitors with different goals and behavior. In Hotjar, well, by default, you're lumping all visitors together. That heat map you're looking at is showing you clicks from anonymous prospects who just hit the site, leads who have opted into a free trial or content offering, as well as paying customers. Aggregating all this data makes it hard to figure out what really matters. At a glance, you might decide all your visitors want to do is log in, but obviously a bigger login button isn't going to turn more prospects into leads or more leads into customers. Luckily, Hotjar supports custom triggers for heat maps. If you have enough leads on your site, you can create a heat map based on their clicks and their clicks alone. So let's look at how to do that. First, you have to know how to identify them in the first place. It could be an event you fire or a cookie you set when prospects sign up for a free trial, or when they access a webinar. Or, if you're using Marketo, Funnel Envy can handle the targeting for you based on your Marketo data. No custom code required. Once you've got this Google Tag Manager trigger set up, a single JavaScript snippet to fire a Hotjar trigger is all you need. You can name your custom Hotjar trigger anything you want. We're just going to call this one lead. Create a new heat map with a JavaScript trigger and use the same name you chose in the code snippet. Launch the heat map, and now we wait. If you've already segmented your Google Analytics data by visitor stage, you'll have an idea of how long it takes to get 1,000 or 2,000 leads to this page, so just set a calendar reminder and let it run. When your heat map's ready, you'll be able to tease out click and scroll behavior for leads only. What elements do they linger over? Where do they click? How much of the page do they even see? These answers will be different for your leads compared with customers or anonymous prospects, and should help you craft the right offer to move your leads forward in the pipeline. If you want a hand with identifying visitor stages or help with strategy for stage-based web marketing, we can help. Reach out on funnelenvy.com/contact, and we'll be happy to share our playbook.